Hey guys, video on the S&P. Yeah, very annoying day. Once again, we did get a bounce here with Micron earnings, then did grind up in the pre-market to then just drop when the market opened from, I think, a reaction to the inflation numbers that we had on something. I don't know exactly on what the inflation numbers were, but yeah, we dropped and then price tried to get back. It failed though. Now this is your high here, so let me see what I know. Let me think. Wait. 1 2 3 4 5, and then we could say this is a larger 1 2. Okay, that's the bearish scenario. After that we want to see then a wave 3 to the downside, but then okay, if this is a 1 2, what is this then? 1 2 1 2. We need to drop then like at some point later today or tomorrow. If we don't get that drop, and I think if we then tomorrow can take this high here, okay, then we do invalidate this, because yeah, if this is 1 2, okay, another 1 2 1 2, we need the 3 4 5 4 5, because once we take the wave 2 high here, then that wave 2 is completely invalidated. We already have an 86 hit here in this wave 2 if we take it like this, so that's already a weakness. One good thing I think for the bulls would be then indeed taking this level before we drop significantly to the downside, because if we do drop, then we might have to indeed focus on here, with then this being an A, B, and then 1 2 3 4 5 in a wave C, or a WXY, but I think an ABC looks better because we have a clear 5-wave move down here, and I think yeah, we could really then just go in one go to the downside, with this being once again the 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2, and then 3 4 5 4 5 4 5. Okay, so ABC potentially, the target box was already here, stays here. How do we label this then? I guess 5-wave move to the downside is the best we can do. 1 2 3 4 5, and then A B C, or W X Y, because this is your high here, and then from there 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 4 5 in a larger ABC. I know it's messy, I know it's super messy, and like in here this is actually a 3-wave move, not a 5-wave move, so I'm really forcing here a 5-wave move if I want to take this as a 1 2 3 4 5. Also inside this wave 3 we have a 3-wave move, so it doesn't really add up perfectly. That's why I'm also looking at this mainly correctively. Okay, not really worried about this being a major correction. Yes, going to this area here will take some time. If we do get there, if we do want to go there, it's like 4% from here, but I think this will then be a nice area to turn around from. We have the previous all-time highs here, we have this range, we have the target box from this and from this, and we have yeah, the next FIP. So there is a lot of levels here, and should we move down by then, we will probably be in July, and maybe the inflation numbers for July will be better because of the oil being much lower than what it was a month ago. Then one more thing to add here is that I think from this high to this low, yep, we did hit the 886. So in my opinion, if you want to be bearish and label this as a 1 2 3 4 5 wave move to the downside, it is very low in probabilities because of this 886 hit. I'd rather label this as a B wave and then A, B, C, or WXY. Target box is the same, doesn't matter if you label it WXY or ABC, and yeah, that's why I'm not really worried. I know it's very frustrating. This week has been really annoying, really annoying, because like it's just been like every day just weak, just nothing actually also happened. Like price really didn't move, it only moved in the pre-market or like just at the market opening, and then it just hovered around that level for the whole day. So really not so nice this week, but okay, you have weeks like this and you gotta get through it. What I do is try to ignore the charts a little bit until I have more clarity. And then one more thing, maybe here on the 4 hourly we have one more bullish divergence here. Now I don't know if this is the low once again. Could be. Then indeed this is gonna be still this 1-2 setup from here in a wave 1 in an ABC and then more directly to the upside. But let's see what tomorrow gives. I think tomorrow will decide if we move down, if we close below this point of control in the weekly with the weekly candle. Yeah, we might start this move down to attack these lows here. If we can recover tomorrow and get these highs here, what I indicated earlier, I think we might trust that this is a wave 2 and that this was a 1-2 and now going more directly to the upside. And once again, I'm really trying my best, but I know it's really tricky. It's really tricky. Especially like in sometimes in a correction, it's so hard to identify exactly what's going on. What I can do here is also toggle these 2 fips on to the downside. Should we move one more time to the downside, we have the 618 here at 7,366 together with these other target fips taken from this leg to this leg here. And I think that's gonna be it. Yeah. Hope this helped you. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.